Holidays are right around the corner, families coming into town, and everybody's staying at your house. Char-Broil makes it super easy with their entertainer cart and outdoor Vista kitchen to host everybody this holiday season. Today we're going to make the ultimate breakfast hash. We're going to start off by cooking some bacon and some breakfast sausage. We're going to add some onion, jalapeno, and bell pepper to that. We're going to cook all this on the flat top portion of that Vista outdoor kitchen. Then we're going to get some smoked sausage down on that grill part. Once our bacon mixture is cooked, we're going to add in our hash browns. Get it seasoned up with whatever you want and cook those until they're almost done. Then we're going to get our scrambled eggs down and cook over low heat until they're done. Then we're going to turn off the grill, get it topped with cheese, melt that cheese with the lid closed. Remove everything from the grill once it's cooked and it's on the table. This setup from Char-Broil is by far my favorite setup I have. It makes it super easy to host and cook for a large amount of people. Find the recipe for this breakfast hash below and give it a shot this holiday season. Enjoy.